Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing any case and checking for obvious damage or water. A quick visual saves time. Once done, force a reboot by holding power and volume down for 10 to 20 seconds. This clears software hangs. If the phone has a removable battery, take it out for 30 seconds and reinsert to reset hardware states. Make sure to keep the screen facing you so you can spot subtle changes as the device attempts to restart. If a forced reboot didn't help, boot into Recovery or Bootloader, usually power plus volume up, to access repair options. Next, boot into Safe Mode to see whether a third-party app is causing the black screen. If the display returns, uninstall recent apps. While in Recovery, clear the cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files that can block startup. These steps separate software causes from hardware failure, so you know whether to keep troubleshooting. As a final software step, perform a factory reset from Recovery, but only after you back up data or accept data loss because it wipes user files. If the reset doesn't work, reflash or update the firmware using the manufacturer's tool to replace corrupted system files. If the screen remains black despite these measures, inspect the display connector or suspect a failed display component and consult a repair shop. One tip: if intermittent flicker appears, avoid DIY soldering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.